Get acquainted with the 2021 Buick Encore. With less than 35,000 miles on the Encore has all the tools to help you navigate your world, from technology that keeps you connected to nimble handling, power, and efficiency, all wrapped in a sleek, luxurious package. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, turbocharged engine, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps. Be connected, be efficient. Have fun in an SUV that gives you that bring it on feeling. Drive the Encore.